Mountains of trash are a growing problem for modern cities. To create a cleaner future, engineers are now turning this waste into usable power through a process called refuse-derived fuel gasification. This method heats the garbage to produce clean synthetic gas, reducing pollution and generating renewable energy. This approach provides a reliable electricity source while keeping harmful materials out of local landfills.
Detecting memory diseases early can completely change a patient's life. Medical professionals recently identified a silent trigger for Alzheimer's disease related to brain blood flow. By monitoring how blood moves through the brain, doctors can spot the disease long before severe symptoms appear. This early warning system gives families more time to explore new treatment options and plan for the future.
The modern workplace is changing rapidly. Artificial intelligence and robotics are now shaping the future of work across many different industries. Engineers are designing machines that collaborate directly with humans, making factories safer and creating exciting new career paths for students.
Treating tumors without harming healthy cells is a major medical goal. Scientists recently built tiny nanomagnets that specifically target and heat up cancer cells. When doctors apply a magnetic field, these particles cook the tumor from the inside out, offering a highly effective treatment. This precise method means patients experience far fewer side effects compared to traditional chemical therapies.
Protecting rare plant life is vital for our natural ecosystems. Botanists are currently focusing on endangered endo-holoparasitic plants, which live entirely inside other host plants. Researchers are developing new conservation strategies to save these unique species from extinction before they disappear. Saving these hidden plants ensures that the complex biological networks of our forests remain strong and balanced.
The outer planets of our solar system are full of surprises. The James Webb Space Telescope recently captured stunning images of Uranus, revealing detailed aurora mapping. Astronomers are shocked by the clear rings and glowing atmospheric storms, giving us a completely new view of the ice giant. These detailed pictures help space experts understand how extreme weather works on frozen worlds far from the sun.
Rising ocean temperatures are causing severe damage underwater. A third global bleaching event is currently driving massive coral loss worldwide. Marine biologists are monitoring the reefs closely to understand the impact and find ways to protect these fragile underwater habitats. Rebuilding these beautiful reefs is essential because they provide a safe home for thousands of marine species.
Old electric vehicle batteries still hold a large amount of usable power. Instead of throwing them away, engineers are giving these batteries a second life by using them to power homes. This smart recycling method stores solar energy and helps families reduce their electricity bills safely. It also reduces the need to mine for new metals, making the clean energy transition much more sustainable.
Transporting heavy building bricks into space is far too expensive. To solve this problem, space agencies are testing three-dimensional printing to build bases on the Moon and Mars. Astronauts will use local dust and robots to print safe living spaces directly on the surface. This technology is a massive step forward in making long-term human settlements on other planets a real possibility.
Stopping cancer from moving to different organs saves lives. Medical researchers just identified hidden biological switches that control how cancer spreads through the body. By turning these specific signals off with new medicines, doctors hope to stop the disease entirely.
This discovery acts as a powerful map, showing exactly where scientists need to target their future medical treatments.
Please visit ntechonline.com to read the full articles. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more science news. See you next time.